Okay, now we have the large arm already inserted onto our Assemblies tab. Remember, it has to be the Assemblies tab, not the Part Studio. The Part Studio shouldn't have anything on it. We are going to insert our short arm. And to do this, again, we'll do the same process we used for our large arm, which is click on this icon on the top left portion of your screen, and I'm going to select other documents, and I'm going to search. In this case, I'm going to search created by me, or you can type the actual name of the document, which would be Cantilever dash your name. Make sure you write it exactly how you named it, because if you don't leave a space before or after the dash, you need to make sure you do that. Okay, created by me, and we're talking about Cantilever Assemblies version, and I'm going to click on the short arm. Again, I'm going to click the check mark, and my short arm is in place, but it looks like it's in place, but it's not really in place because I can move it around. I don't want that to happen, so I'm going to leave it here for now. Now, again, I'm going to refer to my notes, and I am going to go on to step 5, which is mating my arm. And I'm going to use the revolute command. And now the tricky part here is we need to recognize which side of the arm we are connected to, which side of the large arm. Okay, which side of the short arm we're connected to which side of the large arm. So if we look at our drawing over here, we realize that if the clamp is opening to our left, it's this face of the short arm that is connecting with the back face of the large arm. So we need to make sure we keep that in mind. So why is that important? Well, if we need to make sure that we highlight this circle of the large arm, not this one over here, not the one that's in front of us. If we highlight this one and we highlight the front face of the short arm, they're going to overlap. We don't want them to do that. So I'm going to go to my menu up here. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to say I'm going to look for Revolute Mate. So that would be this one right here. I'm going to click on that. Okay, so now the iPad works a little bit different than the desktop and the laptop, where you can do all of this in one 2-part step, in 2 steps, 2 quick steps on the iPad, whereas on a desktop you need to do it a little bit. It takes a little bit of extra work. I mean, it's not that much more extra work, but you need to go through the process and then go through the process again to mate it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to highlight the right faces. Now again, it's this face of the short arm that I want to mate with the back face of the large arm. So I'm highlighting that circle, not this circle here. That circle is wrong, this circle is right. So once I select that, I'm going to click the crosshair in the middle. Boom. All right, I've already set the part that I want to mate, and I'm going to set up my large arm. Again, I don't want to mate this side, I want to mate the back side. So I want to pair up the large arm from that end. So I'm going to select the right circle, and then I'm going to click the crosshairs, and boom, my arms are mated. Now all I'm going to do is click OK, and I am good to go.